Hello everybody. So we've been having a lot of common issues with customers bringing in their devices and experiencing this issue here. No charge. Charger wiggling around. Can't get it to charge at all. And they wonder why. Because this one connects perfectly fine. You'll see it'll charge. But this one, you can't. And I've seen a lot of crazy things. Customers be trying to twist it all around, trying to get it into a certain angle, but no luck. Still continues to have the same issue. Now, most of the time you take it into a repair shop thinking that you have to replace the whole charger port. But some places may tell you, yes, that's what it needs. But most of the times, it tends to be something else. Now, what could it be? I mean, one thing you always do for sure is definitely put it into your pocket there. Maybe you work somewhere where there's a lot of dirt. Now, one thing nobody really ever tells you or shows you how you could possibly fix it is because they may want to make some money and find other ways to tell you that you need to replace this charger port area there, or that you need a brand new phone. But that's not always the case. Here, let's get some clear examples on what it does here exactly. See that it won't plug in all the way there. Now I'll show you a quick thing you can do at home easy with a couple tools I'll definitely link down below on how you could fix this. Okay, first thing you need, a pair of tweezers. Second thing you might need is a brush. Now, just with the tweezers itself, definitely will do the job. If you want to make sure the port is nice and clean, brush will definitely help like this. Okay, so now what you really need to understand is that there are connectors up above and down below. That's how your cable there connects to the pins inside and is able to charge properly. Now there's not really a way you could really mess this up. It's pretty straightforward, but just try to make sure when you put in the tweezers, you're not poking up above or poking down below. You're only using it from side to side. That way you could avoid any sort of damages that could come when doing this procedure. It is super simple, but should definitely work. Now what you want to do is pretty much from the tip of the tweezer there, push around. You could either do it to the right side or the left side. Now one thing you do want to make note is that if you push straight on the far right and the far left, there is a little hole in there. Try not to press too much in there or try to twist or turn the tweezers against that. Just want to get it a little bit to the side, and that's how you'll start feeling that something's coming out. Look at that. All right. So it looks like this may be some pocket lint. Alright, let's see if anything else comes out. Or of course you could plug in the charger. See if it connects all the way now. Way better. Okay, let's take a look. Let's give it a quick little clean. See if anything else wants to come out. Now we can definitely use a little brush. Now you want to make sure both parts are ESD safe. Make sure it doesn't pass any sort of electric shock to the device and short out any components within the device, okay? So now it plugs in all the way. So we made a major improvement. Now let's connect it to the charger, see if it'll charge. And there you have it. Almost every time there will be something in the way that blocks the charger port able to communicate with the cable, lightning cable, for it to properly charge. In this case, it was this pocket lamp. And there you have it. Your phone should be now properly charging.